Hello guys, so another video. So we're still talking about limits. So ano your case, limits of 3x cubed minus 2x minus 2 over 1 minus 8x minus 4x cubed. Limits as x approaches infinity. So if tagaan ganin mo ginani nga problem as x approaches infinity, ang himuon ra ninyo is to divide kini siya sa x raised to kadtong pinakataas sa og exponent. So dinhi x raised to 3, x raised to 3. So, i-divide na to na siya og x raised to 3. So, mag-extension pa din ha. Divide x raised to 3, divide x raised to 3. So, i-divide na to na siya. Okay, divide. So, divide na to siya tagsa-tagsa. Now, let's have, ana man na siya. Okay? So, let's divide. So, 3x cube divide x cube, 3 na lang mabilin. So, let's put 3. Negative 2x divided by x cube. So, ang mabilin ana is, kuha na lang, negative 2 over x squared, no? Negative 2 over x squared. So, butang na to dire. And then, we have negative 2 divided by x cube. Of course, ang mahitabo is minus 2 over x cubed. And then, ang ubos pod, same gihapon, 1 divided by x cubed. That is 1 over x cubed. Okay? Then, negative 8x divided by x cubed is negative 8 over x squared. Sakto? Okay. And then, negative 4x cubed divided by x cubed, that is negative 4. Okay? So, pag humana na, of course, as x approaches infinity. Okay? So, infinity means it can be any number, 1 billion, ingon ana siya, no? Dako kay siya nga number. So, kini siya, 3, wala man na siya over x, so ato na siyang isulat. So, you put here, the 3. And this one, kining 2, negative 2 over x squared. So, if we will put infinity here, so if 2 is divided by a number that is so big, like 1 billion, 2 divided by 1 billion, nasa may mahitabo, that will become 0. Diba? So, that is, mahimo na siyang 0. So, minus 0. Okay? And then, the next, if this one, so negative 2 over x raised to 3, again, if we will put infinity here, a very big number, 2 divided by a very big number, that will, of course, still approach to 0. So, munang butangan na po na siya diha og 0 gihapon. Okay? Then sa ubo, same ani, 1 over a very large number, it will kanang approach to 0. So, kini siya 0 gihapon. Same here, negative 8 over x squared. If we will put infinity here, it will still approach to 0. Okay, then kini siya negative 4 raman, ato na siyang ibutang din. Okay, and therefore, we already have your answer, which is negative 3/4. So, ingon ana ra siya. Imo lang i-divide sa kung unsa mo pinakadako niya nga exponent. And then, of course, any number that is divide by infinity, which is a so big number, it will approach to 0. So, that is your answer.